Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a headlight on a 2016 Honda Fit. First thing you want to do is remove the front bumper. I have a video on how to do that already, and I will post a link to it in the description below. It's real easy to take it out. There's just 4 10mm bolts that need to come out. One's here, 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 and over here. And once you have all the bolts out, you want to take it and just pull directly out on it. And you're just going to move this, there's this plastic piece, or this, excuse me, a styrofoam piece that's right here. Just take it out and move it out of the way. And then just pull directly out on it. And remove all the plugs by just pushing on the tabs on them and pulling out. That's it, guys. Headlights out. Thanks for watching.